Okay, one more. Two more
laps.
yeah, 2 more laps. Ayan, mga bulanong ka na dyan. Nagpaalam siya sa akin kung pwede raw magbike. Okay, go ahead. Be careful. Huwag niyong gagayahin. Walang helmet. Dapat may helmet yan eh. Wala siyang pasok ngayon, kaya ayan, nakagala. Yung nanay niya at saka tatay may trabaho. Yung ate niya, kapatid, nandun sa loob. Okay, one more lap. One more lap and then we're going inside. Because nanay make lunch for us. And then
But Owl,
what?
you know what? Do you have a bike?
I have bike there but it's inflate. No air.
Oh no! You ever try and straight turn?
When I was young.
I did.
But don't do that. You have to turn right away, you know. Yeah, one more laps. One more lap. Hurry up. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Ang mga driver naman dito mga professional. Hindi katulad sa Pilipinas. Pinipinahan pa yung alam mo yung nakakuha lang ng lisensya, yun pala under the table. O yan, mga bulanong Canadian vlog. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Bulanong Canadian vlog. Okay, done for the 3 laps. Okay?
This
What?
is my portrait.
Okay, that's cool.
Did you ever try doing that?
Before, yeah. Last time. Oh, yeah, let's go inside. So how did you like? Good. Yan. Say bye-bye to your viewers.
Bye.
No, see you in the camera. Thank you for watching. See.
Bye, viewers.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Okay. Ayan mga bulanong Canadian vlog. Oh, stand up there and then I will take you a picture. Alright, take a picture. Yan. Good.